If you had a side gig or 1099 income in 2025, you're eligible to deduct business expenses, but it's up to you to actually document those properly. There's a lot of people with side gigs now, so it's a common issue that we run across that they haven't kept this documentation throughout the year. So I built a template for you guys to use. This is more catered toward if you have a side gig or a really small business. Yeah, if you're doing over $100,000 in revenue and a bunch of transactions, you would definitely benefit from a QuickBooks or another accounting software. That being said, here's a template. This is the welcome page. It's going to show you exactly the order that you should follow. So you're going to go grab a bank statement. Sometimes this is either a business bank statement or a personal. If it's a business bank statement, it makes it much easier because you know all that activity in that statement is business activity. If this is a personal statement, then you know you have to break out the business activity within that personal statement. So when you go into your bank's website to get your bank statement, you're going to either download that into a CSV file, which is like an Excel file, or you're going to get a PDF. So from that bank statement, you're going to start putting in some of these items. You see I have a couple really good examples here. Income stuff, expense stuff. This is a drop down, income and expense. This category reads if it's an income or expense, and the drop down gives you different options if it's an income or if it's an expense account. You're going to enter the amount, put any notes that you think are necessary, and that's going to lead here to this income and expense summary. It's going to give you a little net income number down here, and this is all formula driven, so it's taking everything that you entered in this income and expenses that we just did and posting that to this summary. You need to understand, this is not to replace your financial statement. This is just a light profit and loss statement. An actual accounting software will give you a balance sheet, which is needed if you're an S Corp, C Corp. Those go on your filings. But if you just have a LLC that gets reported on the Schedule C of your 1040, this would do just fine since all you have is a profit and loss. This next tab is just small business deductions. So I know a lot of times people get confused on what they can, what they can't deduct. So this is just a good listing of some common ones. I also included a business mileage log so that you can track, and also very common for side gig workers, home office deduction. So if you want this, I'll give it to you absolutely free. All you have to do is comment. If you're too shy to comment, just send me a direct message and I'll go ahead and get this sent to you.